This is AW139 Agusta helicopter. This machine is used in almost all over the world. Let's explore why this helicopter is used worldwide. The AW139 is a large twin-turbo shaft engines multi-purpose helicopter. Designed for two types of roles, which are following: primary roles and secondary roles. Primary roles: transport of passengers, transport of material, emergency medical service (EMS), air ambulance. Secondary roles: air taxi, transport of underslung loads, SAR, search and rescue over land, sea, mountain. Offshore: fire fighting, ecologic, radiologic, surveillance. Civil protection, law enforcement, paramilitary. Note A: AW139 ABID AB139 are two names for the same product. They identify two batches of aircraft manufactured in conformity with a unique type. Certificate data sheet. AB139, up to SN 31054. AW139, from SN 31055 onward. JAR certification. The AW139 is certificated by European Aviation Safety Agency (EASA) in accordance with JAR 29 for large rotorcraft Category A, Appendix B, IFR, and Appendix C, icing conditions, and Category B. Certification includes taxiing from prepared surfaces, CAT 1 or 2 Israeli new shekels approaches, overwater operations, no amphibian operations, carriage of external loads, cold weather operations, hot and high operations, IFR single pilot operations, VFR night single pilot operations. Installation of dedicated optional kits may be necessary to perform some of the certified operations. Structure. The cockpit, the front part of the fuselage, include the pilot RH and co-pilot or passenger LH side-by-side seating positions, adjustable crashworthy seats, the instrument panel, and a forward opening hinge door on each side with emergency release. The middle part of the fuselage is composed by cabin and rear fuselage. The cabin include the passenger seating area, a sliding door on each side, the fuel tanks housing, the main gearbox and engine attachments, main landing gear attachments and housing. The rear part of the fuselage includes the baggage bay. Cabin size is adequate for the following internal arrangements: normal density civil transport 2 plus 11 passengers all looking forward in crashworthy seats. Normal density civil transport 2 plus 12 passengers. High density civil transport 2 plus 15 passengers. Civil M 6-liter patients, 2 non-liter patients and 2 medical attendants. Operating performance. VNE AEO up to HD equals 6000 featuring 167 Kias. Rate of climb at AEO, MCP, 6,400 kg 2,150 fpm. Service ceiling HP or HD 20,000 feet. Hovering ceiling IGE and OGE, at MCP, AEO. Up to 18,000 feet. Takeoff and landing ceiling HP or HD. Up to 14,000 feet. Operating temperature, -40 degrees Celsius to ISA +35 degrees Celsius. Weight limits. Maximum gross weight for Cat B takeoff landing. 6,400 kilograms. Increased gross weight Kit PN4G0000F00111C. RFMSUPPL 50, 6,800 kg. Minimum flight rotor turning gross weight, 4,400 kg. Dimensions of long nose aircraft. Dimensions of short nose.